Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Dollar Tree DIY. This one is super cute. It uses the salt and pepper shakers, some of these burlap stickers. I have some jute from the hardware section, and these cute little wooden pieces. I'm going to be using a couple of leaves and a heart. You can use any of them in there, but I wanted to do this kind of for my tiered tray for Valentine's Day, so I'm picking the heart. So let's go ahead. I'm also using some bamboo skewers, and I'm going to be using 3 of those, and also some of this burlap trim from the floral section. And let's go ahead. All we need now is a glue gun and a pair of scissors, and we can get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the burlap trim and I'm going to cut a size that goes all the way around, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces. So I cut it right here, and then I did this off camera so you don't have to wait for me. I would put some hot glue here and then wrap that right around all the way, and hot gluing along the way, and then just meet them in the back middle. And so what you're going to do is you're going to end up with a piece like this, and here's those back sections. And then I'm going to take some of the jute twine, and I just cut a section of that off as well, and we're going to go ahead and it's going to be left all raggedy, not a problem. Some of the long pieces you may want to cut off, but to start I'm going to cut off a little raggedy piece to just keep it. And I'm going to just put some hot glue there. And we're going to stick that right down there. And I'm just going to hold it in place and start wrapping it around. And I'm not going to wrap it close together, but I'm gonna wrap it and just leave a little bit of space in there. And that should be about it, actually. So I'm gonna cut off, well, first before I cut off, I'm gonna take another little piece of hot glue and hot glue that, and then hold that in there. And then after the glue gets a nice hold, then I can cut it off, just like that. So we've got that. We've got some nice little, just a little bit of something to go in the middle, so it's just not blank in the middle. And then once I get that, I'm gonna get my piece here. This is a Stampin' Up, and glue doesn't stick to it, so I always like to use that. And I'm going to get my glue gun out, and we're going to take this guy, and we're going to put him right on there, however you'd like. I'm going to square mine up right in the middle, just like that. Now, you can use these for salt and pepper shakers and just have them real nice and cute. But what I want to do is I want to use these burlap stickers here, and I am going to use this skewer, and I'm going to stick that skewer. Now, it doesn't go all the way. It actually, if you push it hard, it holds nice and tight. See that? So I'm going to cut different lengths. So I'll cut this one fairly short here, and all I'm doing is using some heavy-duty scissors here to cut that off. So I'm going to take one of these guys, and that's going to fit right on here. We're going to go back to our glue. We're gonna hot glue that guy. making sure I leave enough room, and I am gonna kind of twist it like you would a lollipop to stick to the stick. I did that with the glue gun, and I have that little guy there. And then I cut some other sizes. I cut a real long one and a middle one. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna take that sticker. We're gonna put it right on here. And again, I'm gonna roll that around. Now I wanna put this leaf on there, and I'm gonna have the leaf just coming out. So I'm gonna put a little tiny piece of a little dot here. We're gonna have that, and then I'm gonna put another little bit over it. And I'm just gonna hold that kinda, well, it's gonna hold itself in place. So while we're waiting, I'm gonna move that out of the way. And I already did the long stick, so I've got the short stick here, and I'm gonna put one right down in here, just like that. Actually, I think I did this one a little too long from my original, so I'm gonna take that off, because I think what I did was put the stick too far up. So I'm gonna do that. But I did already finish the tall one. And so I will take, and you see how that sticks out there. Again, this is gonna sit on my tiered tray. So I'm not gonna have littles around playing with them, because the littles that I do have know not to play with my things like that. So I'm gonna put that one there. And then this one, I'm gonna just push it against my silicone mat here, because I wanna make sure that it's dry. And yes, it is. So I'm gonna take this one here, and I'm gonna put it right there. And can you see how cute this is gonna be? So I'm gonna push that in. And then, this one's not dry yet. Probably shouldn't have stuck my finger in it. I'm gonna push that one down onto the mat. And then once I take it off the mat, then it's a little bit more dry. And we're gonna put this one right in here. And look at how cute that is. So I cannot wait to show you guys. I will take a picture and I will show you, but that's how easy it is. So, and I did this all with stuff I had laying around, so I'm really happy with that. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not already a beauty. I would love to show you more crafts, more paper crafting, and all kinds of fun. All right, have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.